welcome back to my channel, or to my channel if you are new. I hope you're all having a lovely day. But today I thought I would do a video showing you how I edit my Instagram photos, because I get quite a few DMs about what apps I use and all of that. So I thought the best way to show you guys was just to make a video on it. So if you are coming from my Instagram, then hello, this is my YouTube channel. I try and post weekly on here, so make sure to subscribe. Or if you just found my channel here on YouTube or a subscriber of mine, then I'd love it if you went and followed me on Instagram. I'll put it up here so you can see what kind of pictures I post. They're mainly outfit pictures, but my username is Katherine_Bond. But yeah, I will put links in the description box if you did want to go follow me. But I'm just going to get on with the video now, I guess. Oh, quickly, if you do have an Instagram yourself, then comment your username in the comments, and I will go and stalk you on Instagram and comment and like on all your photos. So I think what I'm going to do is do one outfit picture and then one like selfie, because there's different processes to both pictures, but I'll start off with the outfit picture. So basically these are the three apps I use for like Instagram and stuff. So you've got VSCO, you've got FaceTune 2, and then you've got Planoly. VSCO I think is free, but I think FaceTune 2 you might have to pay for. I'm not sure about Planoly. I'll try and find out. So I always start off with FaceTune 2. So this is the picture I'm going to be editing. So the only really thing I do on FaceTune is go to retouch, then I go to the whiten tool. Now you just want to touch the background anywhere and a little dial will appear. I put that right up to 100, and then basically you want to just whiten all of the background. So you just go with your finger and whiten all of it. And then we zoom in and kind of do the details. And then if you do accidentally go over, just click on the erase tool and you can just kind of erase where you didn't want it. It really doesn't have to be exact. It's quite forgiving on this app, so it doesn't really make too much of a difference if you kind of go over or don't go over on a bit. You just kind of do it roughly. Okay, so that is the background whitened on like the full 100. I tend to turn it down to about 50, 60, something like that. So I think I might do it on 60 for this photo. So I just press the little tick. Okay, and then I save that photo. That's all I do in FaceTune. And then we go into VSCO and we just add that picture to that. Right. So first thing I do on here is crop it. So I always do the 4:5 because that's how big an Instagram photo can go on Instagram, if that makes any sense. So I just do that, make sure I'm in the picture. There we go, and then I just save it, just so I can see that when it crops into a square, I'm still all in the picture. So I then go back and edit it some more. So my favourite filters are all along the bottom here. So it's A6, A5, HB1, HB2 and C6. But I've been loving C6 recently. I feel like it's a little bit more summery, a little bit more colourful, kind of makes your pictures have like a little bit of a pink hue to them. So I just go on that, and then I normally turn it down to about a 5.5, very exact. So you can see that's the before and after. So we just save that. Save the camera roll. Okay, and then I would obviously go to Instagram and I would upload like that. And then I always put the Luxe filter on it, so the little like sun thing at the top of the page, I click that, and then I put that on about 36. So you can see it just adds a bit more of a contrast and kind of clarity to the photo, I guess. So I click next, next, and then obviously I write the caption and all of that and share it. So I'm now going to show you how I edit like a selfie picture. So I've got this picture here. so I'm going to show you how I edit that. I do find I do more editing like in a selfie than in an outfit picture. So what I do, the first thing I do is whiten the background just like I did in the other one. So I'll just quickly do that to make all the background nice and bright. So yeah, I'll turn it down to probably about 60 again. So let's give that a tick. And then also what I like to do with the whiten tool is whiten my hair. Because I have blonde hair, it can sometimes look a little bit too warm toned in pictures and stuff if I haven't been using purple shampoo. So I just do that, make my hair like that. Obviously I'm not going to keep it this much, but it just makes it easier to see where you're whitening and where you're not. So we'll just do that, and then I'll turn it down to like a 25, so you can just see, just whitens that hair a little bit, takes out all those brassy tones. So I'll give that a tick. Okay, now on to the face. So I normally just use the smooth tool a little bit, just kind of tap where I want it. I never do it all over the face because then I feel like your face can look really flat. But I just kind of do it in like little places where I've got any kind of texture, because I don't really have big spots on my face. I don't get major spots, I just get like texture on my skin. So I just use the smooth tool to do that. And yeah, I think is that looking good? Yeah. Yeah, that looks good to me. So it's not anything kind of too much. As you can see, that's the before and after. It just kind of takes down some of the texture. So I do have some dark circles going on. Normally I wouldn't do anything about them, but I feel like for the point of this video I might as well show you what you can do. So I would probably go to patch, and then what you want to do is draw a line where your kind of under eye bags are, and it will do a little copy thing, and then drag that down to a bit of skin that's kind of perfect and of a similar colour. So let's have a look what that looks like. And then I turn down the opacity to probably about 50, and then you can see they've just kind of gone down a little bit. So I'll do a little tick and then do it to the other eye. So just draw, oh, didn't mean to do that. So just draw where the under eye bags are, move the other thing to a bit of skin that's all perfect and flawless. Normally I do it on my cheeks. Turn the opacity down and then give it a tick. There we go, and you can see that's just made them go down a little bit. So then I would just save it. That's pretty much all I do in FaceTune. I would take it to VSCO and then put it in there, edit that. So I then just go through each filter and I basically just see which one I feel like looks the best. I think C6 looks the best again, so let's turn that down to about 5. Yeah, that looks good to me. Save that. Actually I might up the brightness a little bit to about 0.3 maybe. Yeah, let's save that, save to camera roll. And then what I sometimes do is use the app Planoly. So this basically lets me put in images that are not posted to my Instagram yet. So all the ones with a little Instagram icon on the bottom right hand corner have been posted to Instagram, and then all the ones that haven't got that and they've got the little like U at the top, they haven't been posted yet. So I can just add in the new picture, add that, upload, and then you can move it around and just see where you want to put it. And then when you do want to post it, you can either schedule it, which I've never done before to be honest, but I know you can do it, or I do post now to be honest. I just do that and then it will take it straight to Instagram, and you can do whatever and put that little Lux thing on it again, and yeah. So that is how I edit my Instagram photos. Let me know if there's a particular image you want me to show you how I edit, and I can always do it on my Instagram stories. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe and go follow me on Instagram, and I will see you in my next one.